Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to close a trade here in Etoro. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Etoro, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Closing a trade in Etoro is a straightforward process and is a decision influenced by various market conditions, investment goals, and risk management strategies. Once you are logged into your account, you might want to hover to the left side panel of your dashboard and click on Portfolio. The portfolio will give you all the trades that you have in, like orders and manual trades. As you see, I don't have any trades yet because I just recently created my account. But don't worry, because for you to be able to get some trades here, all you have to do is go to the copy trader and select the trader that you want. For example, you can start copying the game of maybe this guy or this trader. Or you know what, just go to the top performing and most copied. All right, so you see there's like 2,400 copiers, 1,500, and top performing are these traders. Get copied, get paid, and become a popular investor. I'm gonna choose this guy right here. Click on the copy. Now it would forward you to a small window. You see, you need a 1,000 amount for you to be able to close this investment. All right, so if you put in something like that, it value drops below. All right, so if you wanted, you can put in say 1,000 and click on invest. But however, before you can do that, all right, you're instructing them to move the fund to this trading stocks. All I have to do is click on invest. But before you do that, you need to complete your profile. All right. In my case, I haven't verified my profile yet because I just recently created my Etoro account. If you have a verified account, what will happen is the trade that you selected in these options will go to the portfolio side here. And all I have to do is going to be, there's an X button on the upper right corner and you would be able to close the trade. It's very simple and easy. The trade details has the close button. On some versions, you might see a close trade or a small red X next to the trade in the portfolio, which of course from the traders here. All right. And again, for example, I'm going to go to the most copied and copy this broker. Click on invest, and that would go to my portfolio. And then there's going to be a red X and a close button, and just click on the close trade button next to the portfolio details. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.